Hello, my name is Dana Ruby Bradley. I went from the high life of being a National Guard to being medically discharged to going through the mental depression, being lost of wondering who I was. So this house was a blessing. It was a journey. It's kind of like our fortress. We do spend a lot of time here, but you kind of can't move forward in life when you're just a disabled veteran, not able to add more income in different ways. So you kind of get stuck. One thing about the mortgage and the way the world has been in the last 3 years is you pay your bills and you pay your mortgage because you know your kids need somewhere to sleep. But sometimes it takes away from the money for your food. And like I said, my kids are very understanding, and there are some times when we don't have food in the refrigerator because the money has already went to the mortgage.
We have a surprise for you. We're gonna pay off your mortgage.
Roll it back. What? What?
So the Home Depot Foundation is gonna pay off your mortgage.
I hear you, but I don't really hear you.
No! Oh my God, no!
You mean like the whole thing?
Can you do that?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
To be able to say, I left this to my sons and my daughter. But I just want that just feel good to know that I got something that I can leave for them.
Of course, we want to say thank you to the Home Depot Foundation.
Thank God for the Home Depot Foundation.
Thank you and your organization